How do you start up Firefox? Import OS, os.system, start Firefox. How do you list all the files in your current working directory? os.listdir, os.get current working directory, get CWD, open close parens. How do you open up gb1.txt for appending? File equals open gb1.txt, comma, A. How do you open gb1.txt for writing? File equals open gb1.txt, comma, W. How do you write one line to that gb1.txt file? File.write, open parens, line 1, \n. How do you close that gb1.txt file? File.close. How do you open gb1.txt for reading? File equals open gb1.txt, comma, R. How do you read one line from gb1.txt? File.readline. How do you read the next line? File.readline, again with open close parens. How do you go back to the start of the file in gb1.txt? You're at the end of the file. How do you go back to the beginning? File.seek, parens 0. How do you read all the lines in gb1.txt? File.read, open close parens. How do you print out all of gb1.txt contents in one line? Print, parens, file.read. How do you make a list of the first 3 USA presidents? George Washington, John Adams, Thomas Jefferson. Take a variable, pres equals squares, GW, JA, TJ, all in single quotes. How do you write that list to the file gb2.txt? Here you go. File equals open gb2.txt, comma, W. That's for writing. File.write, parens, presidents, \n. That's a carriage return line feed. File.write lines. Okay, this is for the list. Parens, pres, that's the name of the list. Then file.close, open close parens. How do you print out the contents of gb2.txt? File equals open gb2.txt, comma, R, print file.read, open close, and the output will be presidents, GW, JA, TJ, and then you key in file.close. How do you list out all files that end in .py? Use glob. Import glob, A equals glob.glob, parens, star.py. Then that's assigned to A. For I in A, print I, and you get this nice list. How do you list out all files that start with the letter S and end in .py? Use glob. Import glob, B equals glob.glob, parens, S, star.py. Hit the letter B and enter, and you get a list of all the files that start with S but end with py. File gb3.txt has this data in it, Ulsan, Busan, Seoul, and Daegu. How do you open gb3.txt? Use read lines in a for loop, and then print them out, these guys, and then tell the system where to stop printing. Okay, first one. File equals open gb3.txt. Notice I didn't specify R, W, or A, so the default is read. Now, for I in file dot readlines, open close parens, colon, print I, and the end equals single quote, space, single quote. That means stop when you get here. That'll be the end of the file marker. Can you include readlines here in the open statement and use the file handler file? This guy here, use file in the for loop here and put readlines up here. Can you swap their positions? Let's see. Yes. File equals open parens gb3.txt parens dot readlines, then for I in file colon print I comma end equals space. Wow. Can you further compress that code by placing everything in the for loop, omitting the file handler completely? Yes. For I in open gb3.txt.readlines colon print I comma end equals single quote space single quote, and you get this print out. That's the end of the test on 61 through 65. This is George Boole. Bye bye.